While each system, or piece of equipment, is different, the steps of a lockout-tagout procedure are the same. Preparation for shutdown. The authorized employee prepares for shutdown by gathering specific information about the machine or equipment. What is the type and magnitude of hazardous energy present in the system? What is the hazard of this energy, and how can the energy be controlled? In this example, the pump motor has electrical energy, and there is gravitational energy from the height of the stored fluid in the fermenting tank. Shutdown. The equipment must be shut down in accordance with procedure. Shutdown must be orderly and controlled to avoid creating any additional hazards to employees. Isolation. Once shutdown is complete, the equipment can be isolated. The authorized employee must operate the energy isolating devices to eliminate any hazardous energy sources. Application of devices. The authorized employee must inform any affected employees that lockout-tagout devices are being applied to the equipment. The lockout devices must be applied in a manner that will hold the energy isolating devices in the safe or off position. Removal of stored energy. After the equipment is isolated, and lockout-tagout devices are applied, any residual stored energy in the system must be removed. Capacitors, batteries, coils, hydraulic accumulators, and fluid piping systems are all common sources of stored energy. In this example, the fluid in the piping, downstream of the isolation valve, contains stored energy. The technician can eliminate this stored energy by opening a downstream valve and draining the piping system. Verification of isolation. Before starting work, the authorized employee must verify that the hazardous energy is isolated. This is most commonly accomplished by attempting to start the equipment with the normal control switch. In some instances, verification of isolation may require electrical readings, or more complex analysis. In this example, the employee verifies isolation by attempting to start the pump at the control switch, and checking the system pressure gauge. Now that the 6 steps of lockout-tagout are complete, work may commence. Release from lockout-tagout. When work is complete, the equipment may be restored to its normal condition. The authorized employee should inspect the work area to ensure that non-essential items have been removed, and the equipment components are intact. Employees should be safely positioned, or removed, during the release of lockout-tagout. After lockout or tagout devices are cleared, and before a machine or equipment is started, affected employees shall be notified of removal and re-energization.